SADAT Defense Aircraft Pilot Training. SADAT Defense with 3 different courses in which pilots who retired after successfully serving in the Turkish Armed Forces serve as teachers. It has the ability to train fighter pilots by providing pilot training, aircraft type rating training, and fighter pilot training for all types of aircraft and helicopters to the aviator personnel of the demanding country. Sample training programs for Air Forces: Parachute Training Program, Helicopter Utilization Training Program, Pilot Search and Rescue Operations Training Program, Boarding Operations with Helicopter Training Program, Evacuation Operation, Aircraft Pilot Training, Type Rating Training, Jet Fighter Pilot Training, Aircraft Maintenance Training, Helicopter Pilot Training, Helicopter Maintenance Training, Electronic Warfare, UAV Pilot Training, Anti-Aircraft and Air Defense Missile Training. Visit our website to view our sample training programs. Our training programs for the Air Forces are not limited to these samples, and training programs can be formed on demanded subjects. Aircraft Pilot Training. SADAT Defense plans, coordinates, and implements pilot training in international standards in the demanding country. Pilot trainings can also be planned specifically for the needs of the countries. The standard pilot training is completed within a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 2 years. Pilot certification are arranged according to the standards of the demanding countries or by completing the training in the standards of these countries. Pilot certificates can be obtained. Training subjects and duration. Flight training is applied for at least 214.5 hours, 1 year. ATPLA theoretical training. Theoretical knowledge training is a total of 774 hours, 6 months. Aircraft technical training directly related to flight, basic instrument and procedural instrument, theoretical training, navigation, class rating theoretical training, safety management system, SMS, flight safety training, advanced upset prevention and recovery training course, AUPRT, flight crew cooperation training, MCC, and other theoretical trainings consist of a total of 112 hours. Initial requirements for courses: being at least 21 years old, being at least high school graduate or equivalent, having a valid first-class health certificate issued by the General Directorate of Civil Aviation, not having a criminal record. Abilities to be gained after the training. At the end of the training, the trainees will be licensed for piloting private and commercial flights and will also be ready for training for any military aircraft. Duration of course. Duration will be total of 18 months with 6 months of ground lessons and theoretical training and 1 year of flight and practical training. Since the flight training period may be extended depending on the weather conditions, the maximum period will be 2 years. Who can participate in our courses? All our training and consultancy services are for the armed forces and police forces of friendly and allied countries. Individual participation in our trainings is not possible.